So over here you can see that I have a camera over here in the composition, and let's say what I want to do is I want to add in a keyframe to the camera right here. So I'm going to go around over here on transform right here and work around with the position. And to make it easy, I'm going to go around onto to view right here so that I can see the camera from the top. So let me just go around and move the camera on towards the left right here, and then add in a keyframe to the position right here, just like this. Then I'm going to go around over here and drag the timeline cursor out right here, and then drag out the camera over here on the right hand side as well. And over here you can see that I can go around and then pull this out right here to work around with the motion path right here, just like this. I can go around right here as well. So this is what I have, as you can see. And then you have a motion path over here. So you can go around and utilize the Bezier curve. And then you have this kind of an animation now right here, as you can see. So let me just go around over here and then click on this particular position right here, and then select this out. So let's just go around over here onto this particular camera right here, and then you can go around and adjust it out. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here because I don't want another keyframe. So let's just go around and adjust out the curve over here. So this is what I have, as you can see. But let's say what I want the camera to do is I want it to turn along the motion path right here. So I want the camera to move along the motion path right here and rotate out as well. In that case, and under the alignment section right here, what I can do is I can go around and choose a long motion path. Once you do that, you can see that the camera faces over here on the right hand side, and as it moves along the motion path, you can see that the camera actually moves along that path right here and rotates according to the shape of the path right here. And you can see that over here in 3D space, as I move along, you get that particular view right here. But the alignment axis right now is Z. So if I were to go around and change it to Y, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So instead of, let's say, for example, facing this side, you can see that it faces around over here on the place where there's media now. You can also go around and select out X right here, and then this is what you want, as you can see right here. So as I move along, you can see that this is what I have now. So I can go around and move it along right here, just like this. And as along with the motion path, you can see that the camera rotates out right here. So if you want to move it along the motion path right here, just like this, then you can go around and utilize this out right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and work around with camera alignment along the motion path inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.